Check it out, guys. Right here we've got the Tusk Speed T-Handle. This is designed to remove and install fasteners. It's going to help you make the job more efficient, and it's got the 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive adapters. So with that, it has a lot of versatility. You can break this down and put it in your tool roll, your tool bag, or even your toolbox, and bring it with you while you're out on your ride. Now, how this thing works, so this longer shaft, this is going to be for fasteners that aren't as tight, and it's got the speed handle in it. You can spin those out real quick. But if you have tighter fasteners, you have shorter ends, so you can break the fastener free and then use this longer end. And with this, you can disconnect it and switch sides depending if you want to use the 1/4 inch drive side or the 3/8 inch drive side. So lots of versatility with this. Now, I do want to point out, even if you have an impact gun at your shop, these are great to have anyway, because most of the time you don't want to do the finish tightening with an impact gun. It's nice to feel the actual torque you're putting on the fastener, and that way you don't damage them or strip them out. So if you have any questions about this, leave them down in the comments. We have these available on our website. Click the link in the description below if you need one. And hey, take advantage of our free shipping on orders over $75. Now, if you need how-to videos or you want to see other product spotlights, you're going to want to subscribe to our channel. So that's it for the Tusk Speed T-Handle. We'll catch you guys in the next video.